Hello, I am Vishal Kumar, technical engineer at Semco Infratech. Today we are going to demonstrate you 110 volt 20 amps BCDS passive. That means it's work without any power. So let's start. Here you can see the display. There is a operation, stop voltage, current voltage, total time and total age. There is a power. There is a connection of positive terminal and negative terminal, and there is no any power supply required. There is a on off button, and here you control the all the parameters. Let's start. There is a just one tap and you can set the voltage. Here we can set 45.1, and this is a current 10 amps. You can increase also with 20 amps. Just tap, it's set, and here is a you can see time and total age. Just set the voltage and tap button start. It start. Here you can see the voltage is going down and the battery pack is discharged. Here you can see the age also increasing. So this is all about this machine BDS 110 volt 20 amps passive discharger. You can also visit our head office to get a live demo of this machine as well as other machines here at the Semco Infratech. Thank you for watching this video.